Hello, we are in Chapter 7, Section 7.4, Logarithmic Functions. In this video, we're gonna go over problem number 4, in which we are to convert from logarithmic to exponential form and vice versa. So let's have a look at our table. We have some logarithmic form expressions, equations actually, that we need to transform to exponential form, and some exponential equations that we need to convert to logarithmic form. Let's review the equivalence between the logarithmic and exponential form. Log base b of some input is the exponent that imposed on the base of b results in the value indicated by that green input in our formula. Our first equation is in logarithmic form with the base of 7, so the base in the exponential form will be 7. The exponent, that means the value of the logarithm, is 2, so that becomes the exponent in exponential form, and we get the value of the input of the logarithm, which in this case is 49. So the exponential form is 7 squared equals 49. In the next row, we start with the exponential form. The base is 3, and that becomes the base of the logarithm. The exponent is 4, and that becomes the value of the logarithm. And the value of the exponential is 81, and that becomes the input of the logarithm. Therefore, we get log base 3 of 81 equals 4. Next we have log base 3, so the base of the exponential will be 3, of the square root of 3, that will become the value of the exponential, equals 1/2, which is the exponent in the exponential form, resulting in 3 to the power of 1/2 equals the square root of 3. Next we have the exponential with the base of 2, that becomes the base of the logarithm. The exponent of -3, that becomes the value of the logarithm, and the value of the exponential of 1/8, that becomes the input of the logarithm, resulting in log base 2 of 1/8 equals -3. In the last logarithmic expression to convert, we have a log base 12, so 12 will be the base of our exponential of x, so x becomes the value of the exponential, equals 6, and that becomes the exponent itself. So we get 12 to the power of 6 equals x. And in the last example, we have the exponential form 5 to the power of pi equals y. 5 is the base that becomes the base of the logarithm. Y is the value of the exponential that becomes the input of the logarithm, and pi is the actual exponent, giving us the logarithmic form log base 5 of y equals pi.